how to improve your finances by simply following this simple technique. Hi everyone, this is Kyriakos and I'm about to tell you the single easiest technique to improve your finances instantly. This technique is nothing else but having several bank accounts, either for your business or for your personal spendings. This technique is so simple, but so many people ignore either my advice on a day-to-day basis when I advise them about their corporations, simply because they don't want to suffer 10 or 50 or 100 euro worth of bank charges for keeping a separate or another bank account in their company or as individuals. The technique is the following. Obviously, increasing our turnover and our income is advisable, and it's something that we should all thrive and really try to do. However, as we all know, increasing our turnover or our salary or our emoluments or remuneration is not always an easy task. Therefore, what is an easy task is control how much we spend. This can be done by creating another bank account, whereas we will be transferring the funds that we need to save on a monthly or yearly basis. Therefore, whether you are a company or an individual and you want to safeguard your savings or restrict your spending, you simply transfer from one bank account to the other the amount of money that you do not want to spend or touch. This is what I do personally here at CYAUSE Audit Services, and this is what I advise our biggest clients to do, where they have mixed their prior year's profits sitting in their current bank account, their operational cash flow sitting in one bank account, as well as future investment money sitting in one cash account, all being messed up and creating lots of uncertainty and anxiety to the business owners of the company and to the shareholders of the company. There is nothing easier than creating 1, 2, 3 bank accounts where this money will be transferred to each bank account to serve a separate purpose. What I strongly recommend is to have in your current bank account your operational cash flow needs sitting there, where these will be the money for payroll payments, for rental payments, and for overhead payments. Any prior year's profits who sit here should be transferred either to a fixed deposit account or in another current account, so that it's clearly identifiable. This will not only boost our productivity, as we will feel the exact and real amount of money that we have generated in the current year, not affected by prior year profits and cashes, but also it will boost our psychology, because we will feel very nice knowing that we have, say, 100,000 or 200,000 or 10,000 worth of money sitting in the bank, which are the profits of prior years and are for us to use. This is a very simple technique, but I'm sure, and I am telling you that I've been doing this personally and at the corporate level to my companies and to my clients' companies, and it works brilliantly. It requires minimum effort from you and minimum bank charges. Sometimes the banks don't even charge if you don't move there, if you don't transact with the second account, because you just park your money there in the same institution. This technique will restrict your spending, because you will know exactly how much you have to spend for that particular year. Therefore, every time I open and I see my bank accounts, I know that I have X amount of money, which is in relation to 2008, which is in relation to 2018, which is the current year. I cannot spend more because I know exactly how much I have. So I do either unconsciously or consciously my forecast and my budget for the forthcoming months and years. If you are an individual and you don't run a company, this also affects you, and you need to listen to this advice, because I've been doing it myself when I was an employee. So if you're earning, say for instance, 2,000 worth of euros a month, every month, your salary is 2,000 a month, and you want to save 500 euros a month, you simply transfer 500 euros to the other bank account. At the beginning, on the first, after you receive your salary, which is 2,000, you transfer 500 euros to your savings account or to another current account. This means that all your standing orders and all your spending will be paid from the current account, the account that has the 1,500 euros. What does that mean? Typically, especially the first 6 months, is that you will not have enough money to pay for your overheads, because you got used of overspending or spending 2,000 worth of euros to go through the month. This approach will learn you how to spend 1,500 and still be happy and meet all your financial obligations. Therefore, in a length of 5 years, your 500,000 per month will become 500 by 12 months. This will become 6,000 per year, and it will result in 30,000 worth of savings without you noticing, just because this simple technique has made you more conscious and has made you more alarmed over savings and over prudent spending. I hope you found this very useful, guys. This is something that I find personally very useful, and I wanted to share it with you. If you need any further assistance, drop me an email at kt@cyprusaccountants.com.cy. Check out our website at cyprusaccountants.com.cy, and of course our YouTube channel. Join us, subscribe for more videos, or like and share our content, which aims to assist you on your day-to-day lifestyle.